Okay, so here is the final build of my clock project. It's hard to see under the light, but I assure you it's much brighter in person. So you can see inside there is the circuit board. I mounted the switches to where you could press them quite easily. I can never find the buttons. Yeah. So this is regular mode, not that you can tell the difference, but then when it's in this one and it reaches every 15 seconds, it'll display the temperature in here. It's a little off, not perfect. Still got some coding issues. Put it back. As you can see, it's now run by a power brick, giving 12 volts and a regulator in there. You can see my really terrible heatsink, which is just, I think, a hanger for a picture and one of my standoffs that I'm using here. I had an extra. Here's an inside. You can see the real-time clock and the oscillator and the battery backup. All the wires. I plan for this to go on the wall. I need to make sure that the regulator is actually going to do its job without burning up or anything with my really bad heatsink. But when it seems like it's going to be okay, I'm going to definitely mount it on the wall, and that'll be the end of the project. So as of right now, I don't have a chip in the Arduino. However, I have a replacement. I just need to burn a ROM on it, or the bootloader on it. My bad. When that gets done, I'll have another Arduino again, and I'll probably move on to my other project, which is over here. This is the network light dimmer I've been working on. The network and the Arduino part are on the top board here. Network side right here. Arduino over here connected with this ribbon cable. And then connecting to the bottom through some standoffs is the actual dimming circuit. It does 12 RGB lights. It works as it is, it's just unwieldy. And I kind of would like to see it as a board much like this one. So hopefully I'll be posting updates on that on a new forum or in a new post. If I get the parts for this, I haven't decided whether I'm going to do SMD components, as I've never done them, or through-hole again. After the experience with this, I really kind of want to move to SMD components. The drilling part was easily the biggest pain in the ass of this project. I mean, just god awful, and then the tools you needed. I actually had to buy a whole new drill press to do it. So I'm wondering if in the future a SMD component board may not be easier. However, this one works. I have no reason to rebuild it SMD, but this one, as it is already huge. I mean, it's got something like 6 chips on it, and most of them being 28-pin chips. So I'm going to try and reduce this down as much as possible. Much bigger project, so we'll see how it goes. However, this is the end of the clock project, so hope you enjoyed watching this. I mean, I think you did. The one thing I can show you is that it is working. I'll unplug it. We'll plug it back in. Oh, there we go. You see that's code for you there. Oh, now I've done it. Really messed it up. Interesting. Right before your very eyes, people, the board has completely quit working. Yay. Oh, no, now it's correct. Oh, that's what I get for being all worried about it. Works fine. Of course, the only mess up in the last couple of minutes happens when I'm recording. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.